Okay, class, as you came in today, you saw this screen that we're looking at right now. And this just kind of gives you a rundown of what we're doing today. And your warm-up was to grab a Chromebook, and the Chromebook must match your desk number. Please log in and go to my Weebly site. Do not click on anything else. If you have not done this bottom portion, I need for you to go ahead and complete that now. I'll give about 30 seconds for you to go ahead and handle that. And as a reminder, for those of you that are still getting settled, make sure your personal devices are in your book bag. Make sure you've updated your agenda. And once again, make sure you are completing this step below, which is to grab a Chromebook. Make sure the Chromebook matches your desk number. Please log in and then go to my Weebly website. Do not click on anything else. Okay, so once you get to my Weebly website, you are going to, you will log on and you'll see this. And then I want you to click on Graphing on a Coordinate Plane. Once you get there, you're going to scroll down. And this information is kind of more so for me and my colleagues, like the other math teachers. This right here is for you. So in the next 3 days, you're going to be able to label a coordinate plane, graph ordered pairs on a coordinate plane, and identify points on a coordinate plane. So for day one, what you'll do, you will need a Chromebook, which is why that was part of your warm-up. You're going to get a graphing on the coordinate plane notes page, and you need a pencil. Before you do that, though, you're going to go to mathhelp.com, and you're going to review integers on a number line, and I'll kind of show you what you're looking at. So you're going to click on the link, and it's going to take you here, and you're going to do some practice. And there's just some questions. Graph the following integer on the number line. Graph the following integer. Write the integer that describes the following situation. And we just took a test on this. Remember, integers part 1. We just took a test on this. So now, just a quick little review before we get to our next unit, which is what we're moving into today. So going back to the Weebly website, after the Weebly website, sorry, guys, after you get done doing that, there will be a coordinate plane notes page on my front table. There's a link provided just in case you want to get to it at home. If it does that, just download it. If you can't open it at home, it's okay because you have a copy of it from class. But this is the notes page that you will see. Let me zoom into 100 and make this bigger as well. This is a notes page that you'll see, and you just need to kind of follow along. So fill in the blank, make sure you're paying attention. Please don't be afraid to raise your hand and ask me questions because these notes are part of, your lesson. So I want you to make sure that you are paying attention. Once you are done with the notes, once you're done with the notes, you're going to, and remember the notes for Nearpod, so you're going to click on this link, put in this code. First and last name, no nickname, guys, okay? Once you get done with this, you're going to come back to this site and you're going to click on this link and enter this code. The quizzes is going to basically review what you just did here. If it's hard for you to remember all these links to click on, if you click on this first link right here and just open this up and have this kind of readily available for you, it will have all the links that we're using, majority of the links that we are using today. All right. So this is your homework is to finish the notes and or the quizzes from class. Day 2, so tomorrow when you guys come in, you're going to need a device again. You're going to need to know your USA Test Prep, login information, pencil, and an Expo marker. Before you break into individual work, you will do usatestprep.com. We will watch a YouTube video together that covers coordinate plane, just reviewing that piece again. Then you will do when we're done doing that and discussing, we'll do USA Test Prep. This is your login information. Remember, it's student number. You need to complete these 3 assignments, and I actually have them titled as this, okay? If you get below a 70%, and remember, I can see, Your remediation assignments are located on the front table, and when you're done with the remediation assignment, you must come to me so we can discuss the answers and make any corrections and figure out where the confusion is coming from, and it is okay. We will either work one-on-one or there will be small groups. At times, I'll even pull the whole class together to make sure we're all on the same page. Your homework tonight is just to study for tomorrow's coordinate plane quiz. Day 3, you'll do your coordinate plane quiz. Your coordinate plane quiz is front and back. We will play Kahoot in order to review for the quiz, to kind of go along with what we've been doing the past 2 days. When you're done, you're going to turn it into the correct period basket, and then you are going to read silently. And just as a reminder, your integers and coordinate plane video test, I said coordinate plane video, your coordinate plane test is next Wednesday. So make sure that you are studying, and let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys can replay this video as much as